First, take a look at these videos. You can create videos just like these and use them as raw footage by replacing the subject with yourself, your car, or practically anything else. First, head over to ChatGPT. Upload your reference video or image and simply describe what you want to change or edit. ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt for you. Next, copy that prompt and open Google Flow AI. Upload your reference video or image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within a few moments, your edited video will be ready. There's another way to replace objects, like a car. Instead of writing a detailed prompt, you can simply write a basic instruction and enable the agent mode. The AI will automatically handle the prompt engineering and all the technical details for you. All you need to do is review and approve the credit cost before generating. However, keep in mind that agent mode doesn't always produce the best results. As you can see in this example, it changed the entire scene, while the version we created using our custom prompt preserved the original environment much better. You're not limited to replacing cars either. You can also create raw videos by replacing people. For example, here I changed a woman into a man, then into another person, and even created multiple variations, all while keeping the same scene. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the process. If you want more AI tutorials like this, let me know in the comments. I'll keep finding the easiest ways to create amazing AI videos and share them with you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next tutorial.